Alright, this is example 5. This probably want you to do it by tables, but I'm going to do it, just do it longhand. Alright. Again, this is the formula for the integration by parts. My V's don't have tails, my U's have tails. So that's how you tell them apart. That's U dV, integral U dV equals UV minus the integral of V du. Alright, so here we go. We want to let U equal the function that's going to be simpler when you take the derivative. Right? So U equals x cubed. So I'm going to let dV equal e to the 2x dx. Go ahead and take the derivative of u. So that would be du equals 3x squared. Take the integral of e to the 2x, right? Remember, you need the derivative of the exponent out here. So you need 2 to compensate for that 2. You put a half. So it's going to be 1/2 e to the 2x. Alright, so this becomes uv. So it's 1/2 x cubed e to the 2x minus v du. So I'm going to go ahead and take the 3 halves out. X squared e to the 2x dx. So that's the v du, right? 3 times a half gives me a 3/2. There's the x squared e to the 2x. Alright, so that means I got to do integration by parts again for that piece. So I'll just go ahead and bring this down. Alright, so that's going to be x squared e to the 2x. So that time, we'll let u equal x squared and dv e to the 2x again. Alright, so du equals 2x dx. V is the same as it was last time. Now, the biggest problem here is if you get it wrong the first time, you keep repeating the mistake. That's going to be a problem. So make sure you get it right the first time. Alright, so it's uv. So it's 1/2 x squared e to the 2x minus v du. So it's 1/2 times 2 is 1. I'll write the 1 for emphasis. And then x e to the 2x. X e to the 2x. Okay. Let's go ahead and distribute some. No, yeah. If I don't distribute now, it's going to get really complicated later on. So I'm going to distribute now. So it's minus 3/2. So it's minus 3/4 x squared e to the 2x. Minus a minus is plus 3/2 x e to the 2x dx. Alright, now we're going to do it again for that piece. So I'm letting u equal the first part x and dv equal e to the 2x dx again. Notice the u keeps getting simpler, and that's the point. Right? This is not really changing much. Right? Integrate e to the 2x, the same as the other 2 times we did. Let's fill this in. So the first 2 parts don't change. We haven't done anything with that. And it's uv, right? Don't forget it's uv. There's a form, uv minus integral of v du. So uv is here, so it's 1/2 x e to the 2x minus v du. So v du, v is 1/2 e to the 2x, and du this time is just dx. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and distribute now before I integrate that last piece. You can do it in any order you feel comfortable with. It's going to be 3/4. We've integrated that several times already. I think this is my last step. So when I integrate this, I get a half come out, so it's 3/8 e to the 2x plus c. And there's my final answer. Okay,